Hi, my name is Nicky, I'm at Oxford House, and for today's Cooks episode, I'll be cooking lamb. Basically, you start by draining the lamb, drying it out preferably overnight. Heated pan. When the pan is nice and hot, lamb. Very important to get it from all the sides. You would want that nice golden brown. Butter. Fire off. And then you can let the meat rest. And we can start chopping our other ingredients to prepare the herb crust. Fresh herbs, parsley, thyme, mint. You mix the herbs with the breadcrumbs, so you have a nice crunch to it. After the lamb is sealed and it has that nice golden brown color, we have to put it in the oven for at least 5 minutes at 180 degrees to get a nice medium rare. Whilst the lamb is in the oven, we'll prepare the sauce. So you'll need a shallot. We'll be using the same pan that we sealed the lamb in, so we have the juices inside. Wine. Butter for the sauce. Once the lamb is cooked, we are going to brush it with mustard. It will help the crust to stick onto the meat. After that, we are going to dip the lamb in the herbs. Once the lamb is dipped in all the herbs and the crust, we put it back in the oven for a couple of minutes just to brown up. Once the crust is nice and golden, you can take it out and the lamb is ready. Once the lamb is ready, you can plate immediately as it's rested already. And that is our lamb.